Hi, Saquib.
Yeah, hi ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, Saquib, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay, you can have your feedback now.
Before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, Saquib, introduce yourself and about your college.
My name is Saquib. I have completed my B from East Point College of Engineering, and I have completed my master's from MVJ College of Engineering, which is located in Whitefield, and I have completed my IDM course from CMTI Institute, and I have been placed as a site engineer in VR Designs Private Limited.
That's nice. Like, how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
I got to know about the CMTI Institute from one of my friend who has been placed earlier, before a few months back. From him, I got to know about, and from Google also, I know about the CMTI.
That's nice to hear. Like, for which course you have joined for?
I have joined for IDM, Interior Design Management course.
Okay, like which mode you have choose, like offline?
I have chosen a hybrid mode.
Hybrid. Okay. Like every daily classes used to be in online, right? So how you used to get the updates and the class links and all?
I got all the updates from my WhatsApp group, which has been created from CMTI. I got all the updates from that, like related to classes and all, and I have got the links. And Vidya ma'am, she helped me to schedule the classes, and Shweta ma'am, Divya ma'am, all of them are helping me.
Okay, Saquib. Like how about your site visits? Like did you attend any sites?
Yeah, I have visited about 4 to 5 site visits, like Glamour Interiors, Royal Oak Interiors.
What are the major difference you can find? Like you have attended in the online classes, like attended offline practical, right? What are the major difference you can find it and which one helped you more?
From the theoretical classes, I learned about the theory part and about the cut list part. And actually, in the practical, I got to know about the measurements and countertop height and all. Some of the measurements I got to know about the materials. I got to know about the hardwares and all. I have an idea about it.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how was your interview preparation? Like, how you started preparing yourself for the interviews?
I have started preparing for the interviews from the first itself, from the starting itself. Like the Cutlist trainer, Shivra sir, he helped me to gain the knowledge about the interiors, and that helped me a lot for the interview preparation.
Okay, like, how was your interview round in the company? Like, what are the rounds you have attended?
I have attended 3 rounds. One was HR interview, and the other one was boss interview, and the other one was third interview, which was taken by HR manager at VR Designs. So 3 rounds I have cleared it, and now I am ready to join for.
Okay, like, for which role you have selected for?
I have selected for an interior site engineer.
Okay, I think you're happy with your role and the placement.
Pardon, ma'am?
I think you're happy with your role and the placement.
Yeah, I'm happy with my role, and let's see how it works.
Okay, that's nice. Like, finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors, like, who wants to join CMTI?
Like joining to CMTI, it will be a great start for your career, as you get to know to learn as you get to know about the CMTI Institute, and also you can learn about many things in this interiors, about the construction also. But I have chosen the interior field, interior domain, and I have completed my 3 months course as a interior design intern, and now I'm ready to work.
Okay, Saquib, like nice talking with you. Like, thank you for your feedback.
Thank
Have
you.
a have a bright future. Congratulations for your placements.
And thank you so much.
Thank you, Saquib.